Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish. Salt-fried shrimp is a perfect choice because it is easy to make, has a rich flavor, and is very popular. How to make. Prepare ingredients: 500 grams of fresh shrimp, 6 lemongrass stalks, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 chili peppers, depending on the spiciness, 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried flour, cooking oil. Seasoning spices: salt, pepper, seasoning powder, sugar. Steps to make shrimp: wash the shrimp, cut off the whiskers and sharp spines on the head. You can use scissors to lightly cut the back of the shrimp to remove the black thread and help the shrimp absorb the spices better. Marinate the shrimp. Put the shrimp in a bowl, marinate with 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning powder and 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix well and leave for about 15 minutes. Shake the shrimp with 2 tablespoons of crispy fried flour. This helps the shrimp have a dry, crispy outer shell when fried, and the salt will stick more evenly when fried. Clean lemongrass. Thinly slice 2 stalks, thinly slice the rest and mince a little. Garlic, peel and mince. Chili peppers, thinly slice. Place the pan on the stove, heat cooking oil. Add the coated shrimp and fry in oil over medium heat. Fry until the shrimp turns a beautiful orange-red color. The shrimp shell is dry and crispy, then remove and drain the oil. Using the same oil pan that fried the shrimp, add the sliced lemongrass and fry until golden brown. Remove and drain the oil. Make the stir-fry mixture. Place the pan on the stove, add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt and stir-fry for about 1 minute. Add the thinly sliced lemongrass, minced garlic and chili to the salt pan. Stir-fry over medium heat until the garlic and lemongrass are dry and fragrant. Add the fried shrimp to the salt pan. Stir quickly and evenly for about 1 to 2 minutes so that the salt and lemongrass stick evenly to the shrimp shell. Season again if necessary. Turn off the stove. Presentation and enjoy. Pick up the shrimp and sprinkle the fried lemongrass on top to decorate and enhance the flavor. You can add a few leaves of Vietnamese coriander or cucumber to eat with it. Enjoy. This dish should be eaten while it is still hot to feel the crispiness of the shell and the sweetness of the shrimp meat. Salt-fried shrimp is often dipped with salt, pepper, lemon or chili sauce to enhance the sour and spicy taste. Things to note: shrimp quality. Choose fresh shrimp so that the shrimp meat is sweet and chewy. If using frozen shrimp, defrost completely and pat dry before marinating. Crispy fried flour makes the shrimp crispier and creates good adhesion for the fried salt layer. Fried shrimp. Fry the shrimp over medium heat so that the shrimp is cooked evenly from the inside out without burning the shell. When frying, keep the heat medium and stir quickly to avoid burning the salt or making the shrimp tough due to frying for too long. The purpose is to let the salt, garlic, and lemongrass dry and stick to the shrimp shell. Salt-roasted shrimp is a traditional Vietnamese dish, famous for its harmonious combination of the natural sweetness of the shrimp meat and the crispy, rich outer shell of roasted salt, lemongrass, and chili. Instead of using the elaborate salt roasting method in restaurants, this recipe uses dry roasting with coarse salt, lemongrass, garlic, and chili to create a fragrant flavor, very suitable for drinking or snacking at home. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to watch the upcoming videos to learn more new dishes.